Peppa and her playgroup are playing lots of games today.
It feels like jelly.
Correct.
Aha! Feels like a banana?
Correct again.
Oh! Tastes like banana too.
Your go, Pedro.
But I don't want to touch something smushy.
It'll be okay. Our smushy things were delicious.
Oh, it's cold and made of metal. Is it a key?
It is. Well done, Pedro.
Hooray!
It's a key to a special mystery box. You need to find 2 more to unlock the prize.
Ooh! How do we find more, Madam Gazelle?
In our next game, of course. These are piñatas. You have to find the exciting surprises inside.
How do we do that?
You break them open with these soft foam bats.
Hooray! It's full of snow.
Mine too. Oh.
Hooray!
I did it! The second key!
Only 1 more to go.
I love Pass a Parcel. Me too.
Me too. Oh. Oh, I thought I won.
This is a very long song. What is it? Oh, the music stopped. Hooray!
Now Peppa and her friends have found all 3 keys, it's time to find out their prize.
Wow! Christmas biscuits! Yum!
You did it, Peppa.
You all did it together, Pedro.
Baby Alexander and his family have come to say Happy Christmas. But Baby Alexander isn't happy at all.
Why is baby Alexander crying? Christmas is fun.
Well, this is baby Alexander's first Christmas. He doesn't know how fun it can be yet.
Then it's got to be extra special. I'll show him all my favourite Christmassy things. I love Christmas dinner. It has carrot, potato, sprouts. No, you're supposed to eat it, not throw it. Let's try something else. Wrapping presents is really fun. You can put the bow on top. No, we need to wrap them up so other people can open them.
Baby Alexander thinks unwrapping presents is much more fun than wrapping them.
I don't think Alexander likes Christmas at all.
Really? He's been having fun with you all day.
But I wanted it to be extra special for him.
Spending Christmas with his cousin is extra special, Peppa.
But he's doing it all wrong.
Alexander is just a baby. Maybe you need to find some simple things he can do right.
Christmas for babies. Oh, I have some ideas.
Baby Alexander enjoys passing out the Christmas presents.
Thank you, Alexander. This one's for Mummy.
And he really likes Christmas crafts.
Well done, Alexander.
And music.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh.
Hooray!
But he enjoys spending Christmas with Peppa most of all.
Now we'll always remember Alexander's first Christmas.
Who's ready for an adventure to the seaside? Hooray!
Peppa and her family are going out for the day.
Oh dear, I think I forgot to put petrol in the car.
Never mind. Let's take the train to the beach.
Hooray!
Peppa and her family are catching a train to the seaside.
Tickets, please.
We're going to the seaside. And Mummy didn't put petrol in the car.
How exciting! I love the seaside.
I think it's time for some lunch. Peppa, let's look for the dining carriage. Whoa.
Daddy Pig and Peppa are walking through the train to the dining carriage. It is very wobbly.
Oh, this carriage must be for passengers who want to sleep.
Whoa!
This carriage must be for people who want to play on the train.
Wow! Hi, Danny. Hi, Gerald.
Ah! This must be the cinema carriage.
Excuse
me.
Peppa and Daddy Pig have found the dining carriage.
This carriage must be for people who want lunch. Is that your tummy rumbling, Daddy?
I'm afraid the train has broken down.
Oh dear, we'll have to take the bus.
Now, Peppa's family are waiting to catch the bus to the seaside.
All aboard! Next stop, the seaside!
Whoa!
The bus has broken down.
I think somebody forgot petrol again. Now how will we get to the seaside?
Well, we can walk.
The seaside is just down the hill.
This was the best trip to the seaside ever. I can't wait to see how we get back home.
Watch out! Today, Peppa and her friends are at the water park.
Hello, everyone.
Hello, Miss Rabbit.
Before you all go swimming, I have some important rules to teach you.
Miss Rabbit is telling everyone how to be safe in the swimming pool.
The first rule is no splashing.
No splashing, Mr. Bull.
Whoops! Sorry, Peppa. Sorry, Miss Rabbit.
That's okay, Mr. Bull. The second rule is no running.
Silly Mr. Bull. No running.
Sorry again.
Mr. Bull doesn't know any of the rules.
And the last rule is everyone must have a simply splendid time.
Oh,
Have a splendid time, Mr. Bull.
oh, ho, ho, ho. Right you are, Peppa.
Enjoy the pool, everyone.
What shall we do first? Let's go on the water slide. Hooray!
Everyone is very excited to ride the water slides.
Hello again. Who wants to go down the slide?
Me!
Well, you're in luck. There is one slide for each of you.
Let's have a race.
Good idea. Lucky I brought my flag. On your marks, get set, go! And Danny Dog zooms into the lead, followed by Peppa. Then it's Gerald Giraffe and Susie Sheep coming up behind. It's incredibly close. Water slide racing at its best.
Hello, Granny. Hello, Mr. Bull.
Oh,
They're nearly at the finish line. It's neck and neck. Who will come out on top? It's a draw. Everybody wins.
Peppa and her friends love the slides, but they have forgotten the first rule of the water park.
no splashing.
Peppa and her family are watching a film at the cinema.
Mummy, I need to go to the toilet.
OK, Peppa, we'll go to the one just outside. We're just going to the toilet.
The toilet? Good idea. Oops. Oh dear, the toilet is closed for cleaning.
But I really need to go.
There's a public toilet just down the road. Follow me, everyone.
Dinosaur.
Peppa and her family have found a toilet.
Here's the toilet, Peppa. Let's join the queue. I'm afraid the queue starts over there.
But the queue for the toilet is very, very long.
I'm not sure I can wait that long.
There's a toilet in the supermarket. Let's try there.
Peppa, Mummy Pig, Daddy Pig and George look everywhere for a toilet. They try the supermarket.
Aha! Ah! Oh!
They try the zoo.
Sorry, Peppa. This toilet needs fixing. Oh!
They even try a toilet shop.
I'm sorry, but these toilets are for display purposes only.
There are no toilets anywhere.
Oh dear, now I need the toilet too.
So do I.
Look, the cinema toilet is open again. Hooray!
Finally, Peppa and her family are back to watch the film.
Dinosaur!
But now the film has ended.
Looks like we'll have to watch it from the start. Does anyone need the toilet first?
Peppa and her friends are going to play on the seesaw.
Stop!
Is there a problem, Mr. Bull?
Just finishing fixing the seesaw, Daddy Pig. There, now it's safe as houses and ready to go.
Hooray!
Peppa loves playing on the seesaw.
Will you play with me, Mr. Bull? It's fun.
Me? Why not? It is fixed and ready after all.
Whee!
Well, that was fun. How are you going to get down?
You need to go up so Peppa can come down.
Oh, like this?
Whee!
Mr. Bull is stuck at the bottom of the seesaw.
Mr. Bull is a grown-up and Peppa is small, so the seesaw won't balance. You need something heavy on Peppa's side.
Blimey, how'd you know that?
I am a clever clogs.
Righto then.
Peppa's backpack will make her heavier.
Ah!
Up, 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 up. Whee!
Oh!
We are as high as the clouds.
Mr. Bull is still stuck at the bottom of the seesaw.
I suppose it's good fun at the bottom too. What a cracking view of the grass.
We need another grown-up to play with, Mr. Bull. Meow.
I wonder where we can find another grown-up.
You're a grown-up, Daddy.
Oh, yes, so I am. I'll play with you, Mr. Bull.
Yay! Whoa!
Daddy Pig and Mr. Bull are both grown-ups. So the seesaw is balanced and goes up and down.
Stop!
Are you not having fun, Mr. Bull?
I'm having a brilliant time. I just wanted to see the view. Okie dokie, let's go! Whee! Up into the sky! Hello, sun! Hello, grass! Hello, clouds! Hello, Peppa!
Seesaw, seesaw. Oh!
Peppa and Susie Sheep have decided to wear their clothes backwards today.
Oh! Goodbye, Susie. Goodbye, Peppa.
Oh,
Peppa, Susie, why are you wearing your clothes backwards?
and why are you walking backwards?
Because today is backwards day. You say and do everything backwards. No, we don't.
Well, have fun.
We won't.
Peppa and Susie Sheep are chasing each other around the garden backwards.
You're it. Try to catch me.
It's very difficult to play games backwards.
Where did you go, Susie? Coming! Oh, I know. Let's play backwards in the park.
Mr. Bull is very confused to see Peppa and Susie Sheep skipping backwards.
Good morning. Why are you going backwards?
It's backwards day. We have to do everything backwards.
Is it backwards day already? I'd better get my backwards drills ready. Whoa! Whoa! Whoops! Sorry!
Peppa and Susie Sheep spend Backwards Day playing in the park.
Backward swinging feels the same as forward.
But not all the games are as fun backwards.
This is backwards. No, this is backwards. Let's play backwards frisbee. Catch.
Who would like an ice cream?
Yay! Oops, we mean no! Oh!
I see you're having a fun backwards day.
I'm going to eat my ice cream backwards. Oops.
Upside down isn't quite the same as backwards.
It's all very confusing.
I think backwards day might be over now.
Peppa and Susie Sheep enjoyed Backwards Day, but they're very glad that things aren't backwards anymore.
That car went really fast.
Don't worry, this is why it's very important to stop, look, listen, and always wait for the green man before crossing the road.
The Green Man!
Remember what we learned, children?
Stop, look, and listen. All clear, no cars.
Let's go. It's safe to cross now. Peppa and her playgroup are learning about road safety today.
Hello, Daddy.
Hello, Peppa. Peppa's playgroup.
Hello, Daddy Pig.
Oh, green light. Well, see you later, Peppa.
Thank you for helping us, Police Officer Panda.
All in a day's work. Peppa is helping Police Officer Panda make sure everyone follows road safety rules.
No. Emily, you need to stay on your side of the road. Sorry, Peppa. My wheel is stuck. We'll come help you. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. We're keeping the road safe for cars and people.
Pedro hasn't noticed that Green Man has turned to red.
Pedro, the red man means don't walk. Thanks, Peppa. All in a day's work. Wait a minute. Freddy is dressed as a robber.
We have to catch the robber.
Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo.
Oh, the red light means stop.
There he goes.
Now we've got him. Freddy, are you dressed as a robber because you are a robber?
No, I just like stripes.
Oh, so you're not a robber?
Nope.
Oh, well, you can go then, but not so fast.
Okay, bye, Peppa. Ooh!
Great work, Officer Peppa. Everyone is remembering to stop, look, and listen, and only walk when they see...
The Green Man! That means we can go. All in a day's work, Officer Panda.
Peppa loves keeping everyone safe, and everyone loves feeling safe. Peppa and her family are flying in an aeroplane.
Woohoo! Yay! I love flying in aeroplanes.
But not everyone loves flying in aeroplanes.
Ooh!
Oh, hello, Madam Gazelle. George and I love flying. Do you love it too?
Actually, I have never been on an aeroplane before, and I am scared. Huh? Oh!
Oh, I know what to do. Miss Rabbit, please can you make the plane go really, really high?
I don't see why not.
Oh!
It's really fun when the plane goes high, Madam Gazelle. Look, we're nearly in space.
Too high! Too high!
Oh. Can we go lower instead, Miss Rabbit?
Certainly.
Too low! Far too low!
Let's do a loop-de-loop. I don't think that worked either, George. Look, Madam Gazelle. That cloud is shaped like a bird. Do you see?
Yes, I see. And that one is shaped like a relaxing desert island.
Dinosaur!
It's no good. I will just close my eyes and wait for this to be over.
Oh dear.
Hello, would you two like an activity book? They're lots of fun.
Ooh. Oh, yes, please. Would you like to do some colouring in with us, Madam Gazelle?
Well, I suppose that might keep my mind off things.
And so Peppa, George and Madam Gazelle did some relaxing colouring for the rest of the flight.
Look at these! The line work, the attention to detail. Incredible! A-star plus!
Hooray! We've landed! Whee!
Already? But I was having fun. That wasn't scary at all.
I told you, flying is really fun.
Thank you for helping me, Peppa and George. Now I cannot wait to fly home.
Peppa is arriving at Playgroup.
Hello, Madam Gazelle.
Bonjour, Peppa. You are just in time for a very special game.
Madam Gazelle has divided the room into 4 colours: red, blue, green and yellow.
You can join the green team, Peppa. Here is your bib. Et voilà! Now, in this game, I will give you a category.
What's a category? Squeak.
A category is a group of things. I will say a category, and you have to find something that matches your color. So, if I say food...
That means we have to find food.
Well, that was just an example, but... Okay, let's begin.
Everyone is very excited to play the game.
Bananas! These are very yellow.
Tomatoes are red.
Susie Sheep's blue food is a blueberry.
Nothing is bluer than a blueberry. This leaf is green.
Unfortunately, Peppa, it is not food. You cannot eat that leaf.
But a caterpillar can.
Well done! Now, I think the next category is toys. But let me check my list. Which I have lost.
Everyone at Playgroup loves finding toys.
That was too easy.
I've got another category.
What is it?
Everything! Ooh.
Madam Gazelle is taking a long time to find her list.
Found it! Now, let's carry on with... Oh, my.
We finished the game, Madam Gazelle. We found everything in the whole room.
Well, in that case, let us play a new game. Putting everything away again.
Hooray!